Hello everyone. In this Spark Codeathon, we present SCAN-Compare, a Python package and web app to visualize scan data across different species. Now, what is the project motivation? Before that, let's go to what is SCAN, an established semantic store containing variety of information. Why SCAN? Because it follows the principles of FAIR. How is SCAN organized? It is basically in the form of connections. Now, what is main motivation? We want to make it easily visualize it so that user can easily visualize everything. So it's always about easy to understand visualization. Now, specific project goals is to retrieve anatomical data, map it to different species, different phenotypes, and then finally visualize it for user to access it. Now, how did we retrieve anatomical data? We set endpoint at place graph, use SparkWell in Python to filter out all the information. Now, to visualize the anatomical data, we manually mapped a basic anatomy of 3 different species, manually assigned different regions to those in the regions in the scan data, and then finally used Cytoscape and Plotly to plot the connectivity data frames. Now we have 2 different platforms. First one is Compare Python package, and second one is web application. In Python package, it is customizable, portable, and easy integration is there. It is also reusable, whereas web application, it is easy to use, quick visualization, and does not require computational experience. Here is the demonstration of Python package. Here you can see there are different neuronal connectivity for different phenotypes. You can go to any region and it will get you the label of that region. You can go ahead and zoom and you will be able to see that zoomed in area, and you can again go to different areas and have a label of that particular area. We have also a simple representation of selected regions. You can go and select in the Python package the specific region and it will plot the simple representation. We also have projection fibers, which basically says that neuron A project to neuron B. Similarly, on web app, you can choose different species, different regions, and have a simpler representation. You can also have a complex representation, very similar to a Python package. Now, what does this mean for the user? It allows communities who have limited technical abilities and who do not know a lot about anatomy to go and visualize different models. Now, in future, we want to integrate this with Spark Flat Map. We want to include different species and phenotypes. We also want to include app anatomy, functional connectivity models. Finally, we would like to thank Spark and SCAN team. Thank you so much for providing us this with opportunity.